Hello students, now we will discuss how we can produce the interference pattern. That means the type of interference pattern. Now we can produce the interference pattern by division of wavefront and by division of intensity. That means the interference pattern is two types. One can be obtained by the division of the wavefront and the other can be obtained by the division of intensity. Now you know how the wavefront divides in interference pattern. Now if you remember Young's double slit experiment. In Young's double slit experiment there is a source S, source of light S. That is the point source. It creates the spherical wavefronts and which is incident at the two slits S1 and S2. Then a part of the wavefront incident at slit S1 and the part of the wavefront incident at slit S2. So in Young's double slit experiment, the wavefront divides and we get the interference pattern on the screen. So the first method to get interference pattern is by division of wavefront, and the techniques which is used in the division of wavefront, number one is Young's double slit experiment, number two is Lloyd's single mirror, number three Bilet split lens, number four Fresnel biprism, right? So there are the four methods for experiments in which division of wavefront take place. And these are also the example of to produce the coherent sources. Second, methods in which the interference pattern is observed by division of intensity. Now you know, if you remember a glass plate, when a light wave incident at this glass plate, then some intensity of this incident light is reflected back and some intensity of light is transmitted from the upper surface of the glass plate. And similarly, the reflection and transmission also take place from the lower surface of the glass plate. So when a light ray incident at a glass plate, it goes under multiple reflection within the glass plate. In this way the intensity divides and the glass plate is considered as a thin film. Because we mean, what do you mean by thin film? Thin film is a transparent surface whose thickness is of a micrometer order, that is 10 to the power minus 6 meter order. Like a soap bubble is considered as a thin film. Eye drop on water surface is also considered as a thin film. Or a glass plate of micrometer order is considered as a thin film. So the interference pattern is observed by division of intensity, and the first example is thin film interference pattern. Thin film interference pattern in reflected light, thin film interference pattern in transmitted light. The interference pattern by the thin film is observed in reflected light as well as in the transmitted light. So thin film interference pattern may be classified into two types, in reflected light and in transmitted light. The second is Newton's ring interference pattern. In Newton's ring interference pattern is also the example of the division of intensity. In this Newton's ring interference pattern is observed in reflected light and also observed in the transmitted light. The next is Michelson interferometer. Michelson interferometer is also an example of the division of intensity, in which the interference pattern is observed by division of intensity. And the fourth is Fabry-Perot interferometer. So we may get the interference pattern by division of wavefront and by the division of intensity. Usually in AKTV examination, the thin film interference pattern or a Newton's ring is maybe the important topics, because we find either the theoretical question or numerical problem on these two topics. So we will discuss in the next video what is the thin film interference pattern and Newton's ring interference. Now, thank you.